There's old girl.
Guess what's back? Boys, this box right here is the box UPS ended up losing on me, containing 77 the Blucifer Flight Risk 001 shirts. But as you can see, the box is sitting right here in front of me, which is good news for you guys that missed out because there are 77 shirts now available on the website. We have smalls, medium, large, XL, 3XL, and 4XL in the Flight Risk t-shirt. So if you missed out on the first drop, make sure you guys jump on this fam at www.dvpsquad.shop. Get in on 001 because 002 is dropping this month and you're going to want to start collecting them all. And who doesn't love a good old Blucifer shirt? dvpsquad.shop fam, much love and enjoy the video. So we're currently in the AMG. I'm here with Ben and Blucifer is currently getting the clutch done, so I don't have that. As you guys saw from last week's video on Friday, which I highly recommend because it's a 22-minute banger, dropped off the Mach 1 to finally get this thing repaired. I'm nervous, but you know, it's just gonna have to go the way it goes, and yeah, I really don't know where I'm going with this segment. Boy Ben here recently got a promotion.
I did. I'm in sales now. I've been with my dealership for about 6 years now, and I just made the step from inventory management up to sales. If you ever need a car, it doesn't have to be a Benz. We have off-brand too. Check out our website, Mercedes-Benz of Midlothian. Ask to see Ben.
All right, he did that wrong. If any of you motherfuckers want a car, you go to Ben. The sedan is just so clutch, dude. Because if I have a kid,
I mean, you know what they say about 4-doors.
More tours.
Yes, more tours.
More downtown tours. I can hold more people comfortably and
people or
things.
Hose.
Looks like they already finished up the oil change on Minion. We got Stormy and Electra looking better than ever. And guys, tell Joel to bring Electra to Mustang Week. We're bringing Blucifer. Gotta bring Electra like good old times. And this thing just has to make it, man.
Would he not bring the Mustang to Mustang Week? I mean,
dude, he loves that ST.
He's got 2 feet. He can drive both.
Yeah, I told him just buy the trailer, slap the Electra on the trailer, bring the ST.
Dude, look, that trailer right there.
There we go, Joel. We'll put Blucifer on there too. This dude has been touching his cats inappropriately lately.
What's up? Welcome to the club.
Oh, Joel. What's going on, man? Joel and his wheels, boys. Got one set here. I think I like these a little bit better.
I don't know. We'll find out.
I kind of like these. We were just telling him about the dilemma you're running into.
Having a son like Brandon?
Well,
yeah.
you gotta bring Electra, man. Blucifer's going, you gotta bring Electra.
Me and Pam were talking about it. I might drive this in Electra. She might drive that down there.
There you go. Right. Look at that. No, I mean, you do have a trailer out front.
Oh, that big one? Yeah. This ain't towing that.
Guys, comment down below, which wheels do you like better, the Ferratas or the Belgians? I like them both, but I think I like these because the red center cap and they're super concave and it matches the Brembos really good. I'm going with those, but comment which ones.
Don't forget, they're fake. Going like
one. They're fake?
Yeah, this dude's a sticker on it.
Oh, you're a fraud.
I am. I'm out on DDP, sorry.
Alright boys, today's the day. We are going to pick up Blucifer from Chase because he just installed the Vengeance Stage 3. It was just not cooperating with me these past couple months. We actually did find out that the clutch did have a couple bolts that weren't in properly. I don't know if that's the cause of the failure. Regardless, the car's done, the car's ready. I just got off the phone with Chase. He said this thing is driving like stock with a Stage 3 pucked clutch. That is getting me super excited because you guys know the Mach 1 is currently down. It's at the shop. I'm going to be driving the mess out of Blucifer. I have 1 month to get this thing fully dialed for Mustang Week, which we will be there. It'll be fun. Blucifer is going. And with happily driving the car, the plan today is to get it back home. We're gonna put the street pack back on because there's no sense to have the drag pack on. The street pack will make it more daily friendly. It'll give it a better feel, better ground feeling, and it'll just be a fun car just to put miles in to break in the clutch. If you're hyped for Blucifer to be back, drop a like up on this video, fam. We've been crushing it lately, and I can't thank you for the support. I gotta hit the bank and pull out this cash. While I grab this money, man, once again, Chase, thank you so much for your hard work, bro. I'm super OCD. I hate when people give me money, or the ATMs give me money and the bills aren't all the same way. Let's roll. Let's go get Blucifer.
How much was Chase selling you this for?
For a straight trade for Blucifer. I'm actually bringing him Blucifer's title because this AMG, this is me, man. The subscribers, the DVP squad would be very, very pissed with me. Look at this, dude. Oh you cannot beat this.
So you're saying you would take this over the wide body Hellcat, though?
No, probably not. That would be pretty fire too, actually. This is a little more higher class. But you can get wide body Hellcat for what, 60?
Yeah.
60-ish? Wide body Hellcat. I think that's the family car. Just got to Chase's house. Go find Mr. Blucifer. Let's get him. There's old girl. I think he's inside, so we'll just wait, see what they're doing. We'll talk with him, see how the whole Vengeance install went. Oh, he's right there. Pay for the Prius, bro. You got the keys for that thing? Dude, I'm in love with that thing. Can't beat the daily aspects, the fucking...
52 bands, it could be yours.
I was thinking more for like 42 and 42.
52 sounds about right.
I think it's 42. Drives good? Yeah?
I like it.
For it being a stage 3 pucked clutch, how does it, like 1 through 10, how does it feel?
It doesn't feel like a stage 3.
Actually. Other clutch was, the bolts weren't supposed to be like that, huh? Do you have the clutch in here? How'd you put it in the wheel well?
These are supposed to be like 0.18 of an inch or something to this mid plate. And
That gap's pretty
obviously,
big.
That's a lot of gap.
And are they all like that? I'm assuming it goes
That
all around.
one's like that, this one, and this one. And they're all about the same, so I don't know if it's just where they did that or what.
I wonder if that's what made it fail. Sending the clutch back to Vengeance, and honestly, I can't thank Chris and the team over at Vengeance because I told them what happened. I was like, look, I got to get this car back. I need it. Did not hesitate, man. That's the company you want to go to for your clutches. They're expanding like crazy in the Coyote world. I honestly think they feel great. They're built by Competition Clutch. If you guys know anything about Competition, it's a great product. So I think it's time to start old girl up, get her home, and throw the street package back on. Like I said, we're gonna get this thing to as close as, you know, a daily Mustang as we can. Clutch feels good, man. That clutch pedal feels awesome. See how she grabs. Oh my God. She feels good.
Feel any different?
Oh, dude, it feels actually really solid, bro.
Does it feel about the same as the other, just fresh, or is it
I don't know,
just
dude.
completely
I think
different?
the engagement is like...
It felt a little bit shorter to me when I was just...
Yeah, I don't know. Let's test it again here. It feels good, bro. Like, I'm not even just saying that. It's a little bit heavier. The engagement is a lot better. It's not as high. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's kind of perfect. Oh, baby. She feels good, man. All right, we'll do a WAP poll real quick. On the odometer right now, we have 34,500 miles. So I'm gonna round up 30 miles or so. I'm gonna put a good 1,000 miles of clutch in, clutch out, shifting to really break in this pucked clutch to make sure that, you know, this is one of the last clutches I have to throw in this car with this MT82. I don't want to go through this again. That's the initial plan. I'm just excited that I have this car back. I'm able to drive it, daily drive it. I have something that the people on the channel love. So if you love Lucifer, drop a like up on this video for me, fam. And we're just got to make content with this until Maverick's back. Really not a bad thing because this car is badass. It's sick. I love it. What's up, bro? Just got her back. I appreciate it.
Guess what's back?
Man, this makes me so happy. You know, with all this stuff going on with the Mach, not having that, and then this clutch blew out, wasn't able to drive that. You know, I was down bad for a little bit. I'm not gonna lie. I was like, okay, I don't know what to do. You guys don't really like the C7 content, and I don't want to mess with her car and ruin it on her. Oh, God, this is like such a relief, dude. My buddy, actually, Josh Avila, that's working on it, dropping off a GoPro to him tomorrow, and he's gonna film and get us some insight content of the repairs, so that's good. And while we're on that topic, I know a lot of people, you know, were saying don't take it to Caliber, blah, 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 blah. You know, look, at the end of the day, I really don't know how it's gonna turn out. I also have nobody to take it to. It makes me feel a little bit better knowing that Josh, one of my friends that, you know, I went to high school with and stuff, it is literally, it's in his bay. He's the one touching the car, taking it apart, and the painter is gonna do his magic. Every shop is gonna have their own reputation, and it just makes me a little more easy knowing that he is in charge of the car and it's not just a complete load of strangers. So I have that going for me, and the fact that they want to film it and stuff, we're gonna keep the vibes positive on that. All right, so that's all I'm gonna say about that. We're gonna get the rear swapped out, a little more comfortable daily with the rears, that's for sure. And I just gotta put 1,000 miles on it. We gotta get to driving, and might take a trip to Charlotte with it. Maybe we'll meet up with homeboy with the black version of Blucifer. If you guys want that, 3,000 likes on this video, I'll literally pack the car, go to Charlotte. Him and I will film with both S197s and bring you guys a fat banger. What you think, Tyler? Blucifer as is or Maverick when it's obviously not broken?
Gotta go Maverick when it's not broken.
Oh yeah? You don't think there's any bias in there, do you?
Maybe so. We got some dirty wheels right here.
Look at these things. These things have been in storage since the East Coast Mustang Tour, a little over a year and some change, but what's that?
Got the Black Line car care.
Black Line car
Go get you
care?
some. See, we got some quick detailer and gloss enhancer. Yeah, we gotta hit it up. You know
And
what I'm saying?
the best part about it, smells like cotton candy. Dude, I almost drank some the
Smells
other day.
delicious. Promo code DBP Squad. Go get you some.
How to cross thread your lug nuts 101 with Tyler Phillips. Let's get it. I feel like it might look weird, to be honest, because I'm just not used to seeing it.
All right, NASCAR, let's see your damnedest.
It packs on. It's a little weird though, I'm not gonna lie, I'm not used to seeing it, but damn does it look good. Just look at it from this angle right here and look at the rear. It's higher up, big balloony tire.
Yeah, that's not normal.
No, it's not, but I'm stoked on it. Let's get it worked up and give it a good wash tomorrow. Lucifer content's here, boys, so make sure you stick around for it, man. Mach will be back. Don't hold out on me. Tune in every video. Check it out, guys. I just want to take a quick little minute and, you know, just thank everybody, man. Thank you all so much for watching. Thank you all so much for the support. While the cars were down and stuff, I released the shirt, Lucifer Flight Risk shirt, which everybody who ordered should have gotten theirs by now. They've all been shipped out and stuff. And if not, if you're a little farther away from Virginia, just expect a couple day delay for the shipping. But I just want to take a second and just thank y'all, man. Thank y'all so much for that support. When it comes to the shirts that I'll be dropping on this channel, just know buying a shirt helps me out and helps out the longevity of this channel more than you know. Without getting too detailed and dragging this out longer than it needs to be, I just want to say it goes a long way, man. It really does. A simple t-shirt goes a long way. And we initially released just 300 001 shirts and they sold out within 48 hours. And that, I just feel like I could try and like express my gratitude, but you can't. You really can't, because it's like mind-blowing. It really is, and it just means the world to me, man. It really does. We have 002 dropping very shortly, and I really haven't hinted much as to what that's going to be, but I think it's pretty obvious what it's going to be based around, and that's the car that's not in my possession right now. By far one of the best shirts I've ever had designed, and I'm just so excited to bring it to you guys. So be on the lookout for that, DBP Squad, and again, thank you so much. But Lucifer is back on the street setup yet again, and man, does it feel good to have the car back running with a fresh clutch from Vengeance and their stage 3 pucked clutch. This thing drives so good right now, and I haven't even gotten into it, but just driving around town, the bite the clutch has and the release is just so good, man. And I'm not just saying that, like, truthfully, an amazing product. So Chris, Vengeance, Competition Clutch, thank you so much for getting Blucifer right. You're gonna see a lot more of this car in the upcoming weeks, so be ready, and we're gonna make the best of it.
I play golf today.
You're lying.
I'm not lying, bro. Got the OG clubs back in the bag.
You're an addict, bro.
Yeah.
You actually might need help. I might get you committed.
Yeah.
Tyler and I actually went out and filmed our first golf vlog for the Dose of DBP YouTube channel. So if you're not subscribed to Dose of DBP, make sure you're subscribed. That's dropping this week, and he absolutely crushed it.
You heard the man.
We're going to buy a new club as we speak. How you liking this thing?
It's nice.
Cook's worth it?
Yeah, sounds good.
Better watch out for that U-Haul truck.
Facts.
What are you looking for, bro?
I don't know,
You act like any of this is gonna make you better.
Just look at these, bro. You know you want some.
I mean, they're clean. If you guys play golf, drop a comment down below. Let me know what kind of gear you use.
Jaw 60.
How much?
130.
Tyler got a glove, some balls. I'm getting these 2 hats. These are sick. You guys know me, love my hats. We playing today or what?
Yeah. We're definitely running it today.
Are we?
Yeah.
Shoot. Oh yeah, she sound good. It's our boy Kenny. What do you guys know? We're out here, back on the golf course, and we actually filmed a Dose of DBP vlog. I mentioned it earlier in this video.
It might be the funniest shit you'll ever see. Gotta go check it out.
Facts, it's dropping this week, guys. So, Rob Lucifer out here, though. We're gonna get this 9 going. We'll let you know how we do after. Hopefully, it ain't like last time.
Dude, all we wanted to do was come play some golf.
Oh my God, bro, we gotta get the f home.
This is bad.
Look at this guy right here. Here it comes.
About to feel out that new clutch.
No, here it comes.
Oh, we're gonna get right ahead of this.
Oh no, dude.
We're gonna get
right ahead of this.
right ahead of this.
Oh my God. Go, 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 go. Green, green, green. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's here. Go! Dude, I'm nervous about the open blower and the open hood right now.
Still cars coming. Still cars coming.
Look at this storm, bro. Look at ahead. This is wild, bro. It came quick. It is insanely dark. That's crazy.
Dude, this is literally.
Dude, I thought we were in a tornado. I'm not even gonna lie.
This is literally a race with this storm.
Y'all can see clear, immense storm cloud right here.
Damn, boys, we just made it in the garage. It is about to be crazy. I wasn't too sure how the car would react in piss pouring rain, considering this big hood scoop or hood heat extractor is completely open now. I didn't want this thing getting a ton of water, and then with the open blower and no filter, the blower sucking the rain in. I don't know if that's, you know, what it would do, but I wasn't willing to chance it. Made it just in time though.